Hi guys, it's me, Claudine Wolf, and I kind of hacked Ava's Roblox account, so you're just gonna see me from now on until she comes back on my account. No, on her account, I meant. Okay, so I made her this nice Claudine Wolf avatar because I'm Claudine Wolf, of course, and I saved it just in case she changes it, and I just want her to keep it. So like, yeah. And is that a ghost over there? Wow, it's a ghost. Well, if you're wondering how it is at Monster High, it's going good. And well, there's one tiny problem with this. She could find out at any moment about this. And since I'm gonna post it on her channel, yeah, she is going to, well, she's probably gonna delete it, of course. Well, I hacked her whole computer. So let's change some stuff in here. Let's change it to my favorite colors. Let's put a car here. Okay, where is it? Oh, I don't see it. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna go apple bobbing. Whatever it's called. Yeah, apple bobbing. Ah, I got no apple. Yes, I got an apple. Okay. Is that my car? It's my car. Whatever. So yeah, Claudine Wolf. And this video is gonna end here because I don't want to make it too long to fill up space on our computer. Obviously, I'm just here to see what it's like. You know, not doing anything sus. But I am pretty tired, so night.